Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to access Binance's mock trading. This valuable tool provides a completely risk-free environment for you to practice futures trading without using any real money. It's designed to mirror the live trading platform, giving you an authentic experience. To get started, you will need to locate and visit the futures section on the main Binance platform, as this feature is specifically for futures trading. Once in the futures section, your next step is to set up your mock trading account. Look for the mock trading option, often found in the user menu or by clicking three dots. You will then be prompted to grant access to the test environment. Simply click Continue. A short quiz will ensure you understand futures trading risks. Upon completion, you'll typically receive an initial virtual balance of 3,000 USD to begin practicing. With your account set up, it's time to explore the mock trading platform. You will find the interface very similar to the actual Binance futures trading environment. If you need more virtual funds, a handy faucet feature allows you to request additional assets. Then, you can begin practicing trades, experimenting with different order types like limit, market, and stop limit orders. You can even try various leverage levels, up to 125 times, to understand their impact. To truly benefit, consistently practice and experiment with various trading strategies. Use mock trading to understand market movements and refine your decision-making without financial risk. Monitor your virtual portfolio's performance closely, learning from both successes and mistakes. It's also beneficial to simulate the emotions of real trading. When you feel confident and have a solid grasp of futures trading, you can then consider transitioning to a live Binance futures account, equipped with valuable experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.